We started the Māra Kai after community consultation and found a group of people, including myself, who wanted to volunteer to make this project what it is today. It's a real space of learning and practical learning, so we're doing as we learn, we're all sharing knowledge with each other, we share our resources with each other. We've got a lot of rain, so yeah, some days we're a bit limited to what we can do.
Sadly, in July last year, I lost my house to the Westport flooding. I lost absolutely everything, and I was pretty broken, and I haven't been able to get my own garden happening at home just yet. You know, there's still a lot to do down there, so this is my garden. I feel lifted when I'm down here.
From me losing my job through the mandates, I felt like I had nothing or nowhere. The amount of help that Richelle's given us, we have built 4 big massive gardens at our own home, learnt how to grow from seeds, learnt how to self-sustain ourselves at home.
I think it's really important, especially with a young family, to be able to grow our own food and know how to, and teach them how to grow their food. The way that food prices are going is so expensive to just buy fresh food and that. So if you can plant something and then you can wait for it to grow and then harvest your own produce,
then we don't get any more of spray and stuff.
That's true, and it's all organic, no sprays.
It's quite uplifting actually, just having the kids here. Brings smiles to people, and it gives others an opportunity who aren't around other tamariki to actually be around tamariki. People find their own jam here. Like Ran, for instance, she doesn't really enjoy the gardening, but she likes to decorate, and she's painted the containers. Rach likes to cook, so it means that when she's here, I don't have to worry as much about the kai for the day. I can bring some things in and I know that she will pick it up and cook us something.
Everyone's going through rough times, and we know that we're all here for each other.
It provides a space of connection. A lot of whānau that come in here are looking to connect with the whenua, to connect with Wairoa, to connect with others as well.
This is Te Whare Tapawhā. I believe I am walking the walk here, and we are all walking the walk here, not talking the talk.
The māra has been my space of wellbeing for a number of years now, and I'm seeing that develop in others. Whatever's going on out there in the world, and you come around the corner and you arrive here and everyone can just go, whew, wow, and then get into an activity that they enjoy doing, they're learning, takes them away from whatever's happening at home, and it's a place of peace, you know. It is my therapy.